Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how you withdraw money from Hard Rock Bit. To withdraw money, guys, sign up a new account and explore banking clear part of the site or application. Now pick withdraw choice, then enter your sum, and after that choose preferred method and do withdraw such an e-wallet or bank transfer. Give any fundamental subtleties to the picked withdraw technique. Survey to withdraw data for exchange and then withdraw. No wait for hard rock bit process. Your withdraw gets removed assets and through your preferred withdraw technique. And thanks guys for watching this video. See you on another video soon, and don't skip like and share and subscribe to my channel for more content. And this is easy steps you can do. Just sign up and pick withdraw and enter when you want to do